I'm hungry. It's like March 25th, all right? But we fixing to do a collaboration video, all right? Mr. Homeowner, again, has come up with this brilliant idea, right? The idea is we're going to try to season a pork butt right now. But then we're going to freeze it. And then we're going to take one, and we're just going to freeze it and do it like we normally would. We're going to thaw it and do it like we normally would later, right? But for me, I'm going to add a third one, right? Because how I normally do it is I brine mine for a couple days. And, I brine it in apple juice. I just let it soak there, right? And then I season and I cook it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to freeze the apple juice. Let's get one of these pork butts in there. I'm going to pick this one. This one here is going to be I just need to freeze something pork butt, right? This one here, right? This one here, we're going to turn this one into our apple juice one. I'm just going to etch out the top with my trusty good cook knife. Hold on. I bought it because it says good cook. We're going back over here. We're just going to etch the hell out of it, right? We ain't doing nothing special here. This knife ain't that sharp. This is what I do when I season something. So we doing it how I do it, son. We almost forgot our apple juice. Let's get this apple juice in there. Oh my goodness gracious. We're putting a pan below this one. This ain't fucking up the freezer. I swear to God. Mr. Homeowner DIY is going to DIY his ass to clean my freezer. You know what the best part about using apple juice out here is? This is now my apple juice. I love me some apple juice. All right, guys. Now we got the last one. All right. I'm still going to cut my little slits in it just like I would anything else, right? For some reason, it was hard to find this, too. I don't know why. I had to go, Costco only had the boneless ones. And most of this fat, after I cook it, I want to swipe it off anyways. Let's put some mustard on there. Look what I chose to use, too. Look at this. This is, some spicy mustard. And we're just going to, oh my God. We're just going to put it on there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We get both sides of this thing going, right? Oh God. Would you look at that, Jess? Don't that look good? That looks beautiful. Guys, don't that look good? Look at that. Get it down there in the flap. Oh my God, that's what she said, folks. All right, guys, listen. This is my white meat sauce. I'm using this because at some point I have to thaw these out and then season the others. And I got a lot of white meat sauce, right? Once they're started to cook and I start to see a little browning, I'm going to put some brown sugar on the top of all of them. It don't matter, right? But, Jessica, how long do these kind of stay frozen for?
They stay frozen for 2 months.
What in the fucking shit is that? I got to look at this beautiful meat in my freezer for 2 fucking months? I'm a fat bastard. Oh my, whose fucking idea was this? All right, guys, that's the white meat salt. Fucking 2 fucking months I got to look at this? Listen, we got to go get some more pork shoulder because I want pork shoulder tonight. 2 months. Thanks, Keith. All right, look at that. Now that bottle, I'm just going to put off the side. I'm not using it for 2 fucking months. In 2 months, we're going to see if freezing some pork makes the seasoning go deeper into it, right? We're also going to see, this is what I want to see. We're going to see if freezing it in apple juice makes that apple juice, make it more tender and moist inside. I think it would. It's going to expand on those tissues, right? We're going to have to see about that one, right? We're going to see about the season too, I guess. And we're going to do a taste test, all right? Come on, turn that shit off. Let's get this shit. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. It's like May 18th. Jessica, is it May 18th?
It's May 18th.
All right, she said it loudly. I don't know if you all heard her or not, but it's May 18th, all right? And I put these butts in the freezer March 25th. All right, so that's a couple months, all right? All right, so this one here, we're going to deem, this is Keith's spot, all right? And, I want to use the invisible garbage can tonight, but I can't because my dog's out, so I'm going to have to be nice with these plastic bags. But Keith's butt has been sitting It's been sitting in the freezer for quite a while. All right, all seasoned up. Now we're going to do the same thing to Keith's butt to these other ones, but we're not going to freeze them. All right. So this is Keith's butt. This is the apple juice butt. I drained out the apple juice. This one here we just put in the freezer, just to put in the freezer. So, all right, Keith's butt. And Keith's butt, all we did was we seasoned it up, then we froze it. All right. Get on in there in the smoker. All right. I have the smoker. It's set up for a whopping 180 degrees. We're going to run it at 180 for a while. What I like to do is I'm going to put it fat side down. All right, fat side down in the smoker, and we're going to let that run. Now, here goes just a pork butt. We're going to do the same thing we would do to any pork butt to this pork butt. All right. Although we're not going to throw the plastic on the ground. All right. Not throwing it on the ground. So we got the pork butt. We're gonna check her in the fat just a little bit, right? I don't really trim it. There's no need to trim it. We're gonna let it do what it does. All right. Same mustard. All right. Some Golden's mustard. All right, we got our mustard on there. This white meat sauce, I don't really care what it looks like when we're done. Jessica, you call the dog over there. She's going to be licking up this pork blood here in a minute. That's not too good for her. All right, guys. Hey, you know what I need, sweetheart? I need a rag. Can you go get it? All right, guys, I got my rag. I'm cleaning that up so the dog don't get into my juices. All right. So all we did was we made some slits in the pork butt just like we did the other one. Right? Maybe we'll do a couple more. All right. I'm going to let that fat render in a little bit. I flip it on the fat side when I cook anyways. So it's not like it's going to matter too much, but it's going to matter enough. All right. So here we go. Oh my goodness. And just get that in there. You're going to kind of pat this. You know, some people call this a rub. I guess it's a rub, but I'm not rubbing anything. I'm patting this around. All right. Patting it. Look at that. Look at that, son. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. All right. So that one there is just like the one that we did a couple months ago, but we ain't going to freeze this one. This one here, it's going right into the smoker right now. All right. Look at that. We're going to do fat side down right in the smoker. All right. Man, I'll clean those horns up too later, I guess. Tonka getting her dinner from our dinner from earlier today. All right, guys, this one here. Remember, we rinsed it in apple juice, and then we stuck it in the freezer with the apple juice. We took the apple juice off, and we're going to do the same exact thing to it. We did the other one. I'll tell you this already. Its aroma is completely different coming out the package, and that's okay. All right. We'll give it some slits. All right. Now, this knife here is Walmart's knife, and I tell you what, I haven't sharpened it. I haven't really done nothing with it. It sits out here so I can cut on the blackstone, and it's dull, and it's a piece of crap. If I would have put that much pressure using one of my other knives, I'd have been all the way through this meat. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. All right, here we go. It is what it is. All right, guys, so this one here is exactly like the other ones. The only difference is this one, I had some apple juice in there, all right? So let's see what we're going to do. All right, so this one here, apple juice, soaked in it, frozen in the apple juice. We strained it. We did the exact same thing we did to all the rest of them. Guys, I've got to tell you, that's a lot of pork butt. I don't know which one's going to taste better, which one the seasoning is going to taste better on. You know, my prediction is that The one that we froze with the seasoning on, the one we just seasoned, it ain't going to matter too much. But the one we put the apple juice on is going to be a lot sweeter. All right. So I tell you what, it's my smoker set at 180 degrees. It's going to run like this overnight. Maybe 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, I set it up to 225. I'll probably pull it around 11, 12 o'clock tomorrow. Wrap it and just let it sit, and then we'll do some little video of the kids telling you which one tastes better. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good night. I'm not going to come back to show you the wrap or the temperature increase. You just got to trust me in the morning time, all right? We'll talk to you later. All right, bye-bye. All right, YouTube. Now, listen. I know I told you I wasn't going to bring you back here to watch you wrap up or watch me wrap up my food, right? But I got to point this out, right? First, couple things. First, when we wrap, I got 2 little pieces of butter for each pork butt, all right? And throughout the night, I've been spraying my pork with the juices from 40 Virgins. Really? All this is Sprite, all right? Come on over here. I want to show you this. This is interesting, all right? Come look at this. All right, this is Keith's butt. All right, Keith's butt has a nice little coloring to it, a nice little mahogany. This here is the one that we just did like we normally do. We put some seasoning on there. We use some mustard as a binder. Look at this guy. We froze this guy up in apple juice. We let it sit for an hour, then we put it in the freezer in the apple juice. We pulled it out. We thawed it out. But look at that. Look how much better that looks. All right, so I'm just going to spray these down real quick. Look at that. Just so we're sure that it isn't a moisture issue. They're making the outside look different. And as you can see, Keith's butt, I know it's going to be juicy, but it don't look as good as the apple juice one that I froze in the apple juice. Then this one here, they kind of both look the same. So we're going to have to wait and see. But I'm going to raise up my little table here, and we're going to get to wrapping. Guys, you don't need to watch me wrap. You guys should have already wrapped up some pork at some point in your life, all right? There you go. All right. Get her out of here. We'll see you all in a little. All right, YouTube. We've already pulled these butts. Actually, we've already eaten 2 complete butts. What I did was I took a little plastic bag, and I put them off to the side, and then I had my wife underneath here. She wrote down, I guess, some numbers, right? And she's kind of going to tell us later on which one is which, right? So I want to go ahead and taste them. And I'm going to tell you what I think is the best one. And then we're going to do like a super blind taste test with my dog. All right, see which one she thinks is the best one. All right, so for me, let's go. What I did was I made sure when I pulled this, I got some bark in there, and I'm kind of getting close to the top layer. So, and this is kind of in the middle. All right, well, right now, because I haven't tested anything, this is definitely the first one. All right. They can't see this. Look at the color there. I don't know if they can see it or not. That's some good color. All right. This is one number 1. This is one number. Oh, there's a big hunk in there. Hold on. This is one number 2. From bark first. All right. Let me get some actual meat. That one number 3. That was easy. What's number 1?
Keith's butt.
Keith's butt's number 1. What's number 3?
Number 3 is normal.
And this one's the apple juice one. So Keith's butt, I think, tastes better. Let's see. Hold on. Let me just make sure. I don't want fucking Keith not to have his due credit. So let me check. All right. Keith's butt's the best butt. All right. Now for the super blind taste test. Let me get this set up. Hold on. All right, guys. Get it ready. This here is Tonka. All right. She's going to be our final choice. I say it's Keith's butt. We're going to let Tonka have a smell. Smell. All right. we're gonna put that one way over there. All right. Smell. Ooh. All right. And then smell. Oh, smell. All right. John, which one's the best one? Which one's the best one? You like that one? What about that one? You like that one? You like that one? Hold on. Do you like that one though? Hold on. What about this one? All right. Get a little bit. Here, I'll help you. There you go. You got it. Now come here. Sit down. Mine. Tonka, mine. Sit down. That's mine. All right. Stay. Mine. Sit down. All right. Good girl. Now, get it. Which one's number one? Keep spot wins with the dog too, ladies and gentlemen. We're done. All right. Even talking knows Keith's butt is better than the rest. All right. We're out of here. You guys have fun. Cook some butts, man. I'm a butt guy. She's got a butt. We're all happy here. Turn that shit off. We're leaving.